Hello everyone, welcome to 10 minutes mobility every day. In today's video, we will be doing a mobility routine with stretching. Yes, so we will be moving and lengthening out parts of our body. To start, we're going to sit cross-legged. Feel your pelvis and your spine really upright. And you have a choice. As we go on to do the first movement, you can continue sitting this way, or you're going to turn in one leg as I'm going to show you in a short while. Do what feels comfortable to you. We want both of our pelvis and hips to be as even as possible. So turn one leg in and make sure that both knees are in one line. Start the side bend to the internally rotated leg side here. This is a more difficult side. Exactly, this is what we want to do because we will be lengthening out our torso and the side of our pelvis. Continue to do the same on the other side. Pausing a little bit, slowly, gently, to open up the parts of our body that is very tight for most people. Back to the first side, repeating the same movement, this time with your arm up, pulsing, looking to the front with the palm facing up. We are continuing with the same movement, but this time pulsing a little bit longer, a little bit slower, and hold it towards the last few pulses here, and then turn our ribs to look to the back, and then turn to look back to the front. Doing this a few consecutive times here to open up the side of our ribs and the back of our ribs. On to the other side here, we'll be repeating the same movement. Side bend, palm up, pulse, 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 gently, slowly. And after a few times, you can start to look towards the back here, rotating the ribs. Try to keep your body in a side bend position even as you rotate. We want to prevent the body from coming back upright when we come back to look at the front. Come to sitting as upright as possible, or you can roll up the back of the mat here to raise your sit bones. Flex and point the feet. You can of course also sit on yoga blocks or stack up a few mats if you like. Slowly lay down and pull one leg close to you, looking directly at the shin. Gently As you pull your leg closer to you, do it such that you feel the lengthening of your hamstrings gradually. Feel yourself being able to pull your leg in a little bit more each time. Point your toes if you can. Bring both legs up here. Point your toes and pull the legs closer in towards you here, lengthening out your lower back, pulsing and lengthening out the legs even more. Curl your head, neck, shoulders up and try to bring your nose closer to your knees. And bringing your body back down, legs down. And keep one leg up here. Slowly bring one leg across to the opposite side and looking away from the leg. Again, in this case, I have my left leg over the right side, so I am looking to the left. Looking away from the leg to rotate and lengthen out the spine even more. Keeping both arms pressed down on the floor here will give you more traction. If you feel you need more support for your head and shoulders, you can always stack up 1 or 2 cushions. Prop your head up. That may help you to access this movement a little bit more here. It will also help the spine with better rotation. See what you need and do what you need. Bring the leg across now. Have your foot touch the floor if you can. Looking to the opposite side and hold. Repeat the same on the other side here. Reach your toes toward the floor. The toes, the leg that is being crossed over as much as you can. It will release our lumbar spine. Take your time to relax into this gentle movement. Slowly come back up here. Come to sitting. That is all I have for this video today. Thank you so much for tuning in, for moving with me. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. If you like more of this content, 10 minutes mobility everyday video or any particular mobility video for your body, do like, share, subscribe. It will help me a lot to grow my channel, and I've got a wonderful, extensive playlist for you. Take care, have a lovely day, and I'll see you again in the next video.